What is up, guys? Brent Tech here, back with another video. And yes, I have this gem in my hand. I am doing an iPhone 11 unboxing and review. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so I picked this up earlier today, and as you can see, I do have the white version. It was actually one of the only ones that had white, black, and red left. And then if any of you seen my unboxing for the 10R video, it was a red one. So I thought, let's do something a little different and go with the white colorway. So let's go ahead and power it on. And it comes with the basic things: the ear pods, charging port and cable, as you can see. And let's see, designed by Apple in California. Comes with the basic Apple stickers and the little pin to open up the SIM card port. And let's see, hello. Welcome to iPhone. Just gives a basic overview of what all the buttons are for and what they do. So as you can see right here on the side, you have the side button, which mutes the phone. And then you have the up volume button and down volume button. Okay, and then on this side, they have the other side button. And all of you iPhone 8 Plus and below users know this as the power button. But actually now, to power on and off your phone, you use this side button or one of the volume buttons as well. And you press and hold them at the same time. So let's go ahead and power on the iPhone. So excited to be getting this new one. Really wish I could have gotten the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but let's be real, I'm not spending $1,100 for a phone. A sister is on a budget. So yeah, let's go ahead and power this on. And as you can see, it is booting up. So basically just going to share with you guys what is new about the phone. And all of you know that iPhone 11, the software for it is iOS 13. So I'm going to share with you what is new and what to expect with iOS 13 software update. So let's go ahead and get right into it. And let's see. So don't think there's much of a difference with the camera because again, I don't have the Pro Max. Okay. So it's fairly the same as the 10. I had the 10R, so it looks pretty much the same, all the same features. But of course we know there are some different things. Okay, so what's new with this one? One thing I am so looking forward to, I don't know if you guys know this, but when you type in the web browser, you have the option with iOS 13, you have the option to drag the word out. You can drag it out and spell it now. So that's awesome. And I'm gonna put in a little clip of how to do that right here. And yeah guys, so that's how you drag and drop. Also, let's see what else is new. The phone gives you a go dark mode, and I'm gonna show you that right here in the settings. You have the option to have the phone in light mode or dark mode, which is awesome. As you can see, I have my phone in dark mode. And then if I want to switch it, just select light and it switches to light mode. So that's pretty cool. Let's see some more of the features. What else is new? Okay, so you can shoot a video in photo mode, and I'll insert a clip right here how to do that. Okay, and that's how you shoot a video in photo mode. So let's go ahead and see what else is new. Okay, so it says you can get a reminder when you message a particular person. So in reminders, turn on remind me when messaging, and then choose the person and it'll remind you when you send them a text message. And you can do personalized reactions, express yourself with stickers that mimic your favorite emoji, and then tap a sticker or drag it into the conversation. So that's pretty cool. And let's see, what else does the new iOS 13 software update offer? Okay, so you can focus on your photos, browse your shots by day, month, or year. In month view, you can browse events that tap once to relive your best moments. So that's pretty cool as well. And what else do we have? Okay, look where you're going. To explore a place, tap on the binoculars, tap to move, pinch to zoom, or drag to look around. Oh, wow. Okay guys, so there are a lot of new features with iOS 13. With the update, there's a lot of features, but with the iPhone itself, it's not too much different than the 10. Actually, the 10R, I believe the 11 replaces the 10R, but the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max, those are, I guess, the big deal, or at least the Pro Max is because you get that third lens with the camera. So I don't know, would I say get the Pro Max? If you can afford it, go ahead, because the camera is outstanding. You don't need an actual, Canon or Nikon or digital camera. You can use your cell phone. That's how good Apple has gotten. But if you're just looking to upgrade, I would say go with the 11. But if you need that camera aspect of the phone, then the Pro Max would be for you. But all around, I'm really digging this white colorway. Is really cool. The red one was cool too, but I don't know, this one looks a little bit more chic, so I'm definitely loving it. But yeah guys, that's all for this video. Really loving this phone, can't wait to test it out and put it to work. But yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.